In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time with Google Calendar and sync it to Google Sheets. This is a simple yet powerful way to organize your schedule and analyze your time management effectively. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Firstly, open your Google Sheets. You'll need to set up the structure of your spreadsheet to make it ready for data input. Go ahead and add a header with the following titles: date, event title, start time, and duration hours. This will serve as the framework for your calendar entries, making sure that everything is neatly organized as the data flows in. Next, we'll focus on enabling the app's script side of things. In your Google Sheets, look at the menu at the top and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select App's Script. This is where we will write the script that fetches your calendar events and syncs them into your spreadsheet. Now, you need to copy a particular code into the app's script editor. This script is what makes it all happen. Here's the code you will use: a dollar function import calendar events, vr calendar ID l primary, vr sheet l spreadsheet app, get active spreadsheet, get active sheet, sheet.clear contents, sheet.appendrow, date, event title, start time, end time, duration, HR is, vr now l new date, vr start l is new date. Now to get full year. Now to get month. Now to get date. Have you a 7. End down. As well as new date. For events, able calendar app get calendar by id calendar id get event start end events dot for each function event give our title equal event get title. By our start time is so event get start time. For end time will event get end time. For duration equal end time start time. 1000-60 see justice sheet dot append row start time to date string title start time dot to local time strings end time dot to locally time string duration dot fixed dot to al awesome. You've now pasted the code, which will help gather your recent calendar activities from the past week by default. Of course, this time range can be customized depending on your needs later on. The next step is to save your script. Look for the Save button in the app's script editor and click it. Saving the script is crucial as it locks in the changes you've made and gets it ready for execution. Once saved, you're all set to run the script. In the app's script dashboard, find the Run button. Click it, and the script will start doing its magic. It will automatically pull in your calendar events and populate the spreadsheet with each event's date, title, start time, end time, and duration in hours. There you have it, a streamlined process to sync your Google Calendar with Google Sheets seamlessly. Not only does this help keep things organized, but it also offers a clear view of how your time is being spent, giving you insights to manage your schedule better in the future. I hope this tutorial makes your life just a bit more organized.